Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best green barley powder is probably one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense supplements available today, offering a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and chlorophyll that can support overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve digestion, or enhance your immune system, this vibrant green powder packs a powerful punch, making it an excellent addition to any health-conscious individual's diet. Its natural composition and wide range of benefits make it a standout choice for those seeking a simple yet effective way to supplement their daily nutritional intake and feel their best. Number 5. Jacked Factory Green Surge Superfood Powder. Discover the power of nature with our premium superfood powder. It's packed with essential nutrients to help you feel your best every day. This blend is perfectly suited for your keto lifestyle, offering a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Fuel your body with clean, wholesome ingredients. Experience the benefits of organic greens like spirulina, wheatgrass, and barley grass. They work together to support your overall well-being. We've included green tea extract, probiotics, and digestive enzymes to aid your digestion and boost your energy levels. Feel revitalized from the inside out. Enjoy the vibrant and refreshing taste of mixed berries in every scoop. It's a delicious way to get your daily dose of superfoods. Make it a part of your daily routine for sustained energy and optimal health. It's the simple, effective way to support your body's needs. What we like. This option is keto-friendly, making it a great choice for those following a ketogenic diet. It also includes digestive enzymes to support gut health. If you are looking for a greens powder that fits into a low-carb lifestyle and aids digestion, this is a solid pick. What people say. It has a very mild taste and mixes easily with water or juice. I noticed a significant increase in my energy levels within a few days of taking it. This powder is a great source of vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy addition to my diet. Number 4. Ancient Nutrition Super Greens Powder. Discover the power of nature's finest ingredients. Our organic superfood blend is crafted to support your well-being from the inside out. Experience a carefully selected mix of spirulina, chlorella, and matcha. This potent combination is designed to nourish your body. Support your gut health with added probiotics and digestive enzymes. Feel the difference as your body finds its natural balance. Getting your daily dose of greens has never been easier. Each serving provides a comprehensive nutritional boost to fuel your day. Feel revitalized with this organic superfood powder. It's the perfect way to enhance your energy levels naturally. Made with organic ingredients, this powder is a testament to our commitment to quality. Nourish yourself with the best nature has to offer. What we like. This product boasts an organic superfood blend with probiotics for gut health. It features unique ingredients like matcha and chlorella. If you prioritize organic ingredients and are seeking a blend that supports both digestion and offers a distinct flavor profile, consider this one. What people say. This product is a great source of vitamins and minerals, providing a significant boost to my daily nutrient intake. I've noticed a considerable improvement in my energy levels since I started using this green barley powder. The powder mixes very easily with water or juice, making it convenient to incorporate into my diet. Number 3. Aura Organic Greens Powder. Feeling sluggish? Discover a delicious way to boost your vitality. This super greens blend is crafted to help you feel your best, naturally. Experience the power of over 20 organic superfoods in every scoop. It's a clean, vegan, and gluten-free way to nourish your body. Support your body's natural detoxification process. Packed with antioxidants and adaptogenic herbs, it helps you feel refreshed and revitalized. Enjoy a burst of refreshing citrus with every serving. It's a tasty and convenient way to get your daily dose of greens. With 30 servings per container, it's an easy addition to your daily routine. Embrace a healthier lifestyle with this premium organic greens powder. What we like. This vegan and gluten-free option is packed with adaptogenic herbs for stress support. Its citrus flavor is refreshing and easy to drink. If you are looking for a plant-based greens powder that also offers benefits for stress management and enjoy a bright, zesty taste, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great product that has helped me feel more energetic. I love the taste of this green barley powder. It's not too bitter. The powder mixes easily into water and doesn't clump up. Number 2. EHP Labs OxyGreens Super Greens Powder. Introducing a revolutionary Super Greens powder designed to elevate your daily health. Experience the power of nature's finest ingredients in one convenient scoop. This potent blend is enriched with spirulina and chlorella, renowned superfoods known for their dense nutrient profiles. It's your daily dose of green goodness. Formulated with prebiotic fiber, it aids in promoting a healthy gut environment. Support your digestive wellness and overall well-being effortlessly. Infused with essential antioxidants, it helps combat free radicals and supports a robust immune system. Feel revitalized and ready to take on the day. Enjoy the tropical taste of pineapple with every serving. It's a delicious way to nourish your body and support your health goals. With 30 servings per container, it's the perfect addition to your busy lifestyle. Achieve your wellness goals with this easy-to-use supplement. What we like. This Super Greens powder is formulated with prebiotic fiber for gut health and antioxidants for immunity support. The pineapple flavor is a tropical delight. If you are focused on boosting your immune system and digestive health, and you enjoy a fruity, tropical taste, this product is worth considering. What people say. This product is a great source of vitamins and minerals. It mixes well with water and has a pleasant taste. I noticed an increase in my energy levels after using this product for a week. Number 1. Complement Daily Greens Powder. Unlock your daily dose of wellness with our premium Super Greens Powder. It's a comprehensive blend designed to nourish your body from the inside out. Experience the purity of organic chlorella and barley grass juice. We've carefully selected these potent ingredients for the natural health benefits. Support your immune system with the power of nature. This blend helps fortify your body's natural defenses for everyday resilience. Sharpen your focus and support cognitive function. Our greens powder is formulated to promote optimal brain health and clarity. Gently aid your body's natural detoxification processes. It helps cleanse and revitalize, leaving you feeling refreshed and balanced. Enjoy 30 servings of pure goodness in every container. It's the simple, effective way to elevate your daily nutrition. What we like. This option is a whole foods-based Super Greens powder, emphasizing ingredients like organic chlorella and broccoli sprouts. It highlights benefits for immune support, brain health, and metal detox. If you are looking for a greens powder with a strong focus on detoxification and cognitive function, and prefer a whole foods approach, this is an excellent selection. What people say. This product is a great source of vitamins and minerals, providing a nutritional boost to my diet. I've noticed an improvement in my energy levels since I started using this green barley powder. The powder mixes easily into water or smoothies, making it convenient to consume daily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.